Okay, so we'll just complete introduction to linear regression, which is the most easiest part of problem solving among the regression topic. You have linear regression and linear regression in matrix form, multiple linear, and in that also that in matrix form. So it's very easy. The only thing you need to remember is, see, this is one formula to find. See, so basically the final answer which you get is nothing but y is equals to a naught, what to say, a naught plus a1 into x. This x will be the given test instance, so they'll ask you to find. To find here, we need to find a naught and a1. So the value of a naught is here, and what are these values? Let's just see here, you will understand. So here is a given table. This is the xi value, this is the yi value. So x to y column, since there are multiple values, so xi, yi, you have to take the square of this xi. See, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and then x into y. 1 into 1.2, 2 into 1.8, same, multiply and write it. Do not make any mistake or do not rush while calculating the small values. If you, whenever you get wrong answers, you will be recalculating in this area. Okay, you will be like, where did I do wrong? Here, there, addition. But you won't be knowing that this basic multiplication, it's not basic, but still here you have done wrong in your calculator. So make sure you do it right. Once you find all the values, see here 1 to 5, here 5, x square, x into y, then you have to add all this, divide by 5, add all this, y divide by 5, because there are 5 instances, right? Add all, divide by 5, add all, divide by 5. So that will be now what? X bar, y bar, xi square bar, and xy bar. Now let us see the here, xy bar minus x bar into y bar. Okay, xy into mean of xy minus mean of x into mean of y divided by, what is the remaining value? See, we took this, this remaining is xi square, right? Xi square minus x bar the whole square, simple. So we will do it. So now we have to take the value 8.88. So I will just do it down, I won't see, I remember the formula, that's it. So xi into yi, I mean xy bar, that is 8.88 minus bracket. See, these two are in bracket, okay. You cannot subtract this and then multiply the answer. It's not like that. First you have to multiply this both. What you will do? 3 into 2.52. Multiply these two values, okay, and then 8.88 minus this value. So it will be like 7 point, you know 6, 7.56, I guess. So the above value will be 7.56, same. Then you have xi square, that is, see, 11 square minus 3 square. Okay, I mean, you should, sorry, my bad. You shouldn't take 11 square. Xy square value is 11, 11 minus 3 square. Okay, so see here, 8.88 minus 3 into 2.52. You have to multiply this value. Best in your scientific calculator, you put like this. Anyhow, a scientific calculator will, instead of performing minus, it will perform multiplication. That is in the latest scientific calculator, but your old scientific calculator is not like that. They'll, it's just one line of scientific calculator, right? You can see only one thing. That's a little complicated. You got the value, that is 0.66. Now what you have to do? A naught. What is the A naught? Y bar is nothing but your table y bar minus A1. You just got it. A1 into x bar. See, this minus the value you got uh, into this bar. So you have to calculate 0.6 into 3 first. That will be, what to say, 6 3 is 18. You just have to add 66, 66, 66, 180, 186, 182, 198. It should be 1.98, I guess, if I'm not wrong. It should be 1.98. 2.52 minus 1.9. Oh, whatever, bro. 1 point. You will get 0.54. Okay. You just add 66 is there. I mean, 1.98 plus 54 will give you 2.52 itself. You got the value. Now see, you got the value of A1 is equals to 0.66, A naught is equals to 0.54. What did we see here? Y is equals to A naught. What is that? 0.52 plus A1. What is A1? 0.6 into X values. What they have asked in the question, find 9th, 7th and 9th, right? So Just substitute the place of x 7. See here, 0.54 plus 0.6 into 7. You will get 5.16 as for 12th. Instead of x, substitute 12. You will get 8.46. Just tell me how you felt about this problem. This was very easy, right? We just completed in 5 minutes. You can do it in 2 minutes, like I said in all the other videos. But do not make any calculation errors. If you perform it properly slowly, then even you will take 5 minutes. But 5 minutes for 10 marks is very qualitative. So do not rush. You can take 10 to 15 minutes as well. So we'll see in the next video where we are doing the same problem. I mean not same but same type of problem in matrix form.